Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am not on the screen today, so I'm trying something a little different. So this is a shoot that I did in the summertime with my friend, homie, fitness coach. Well, she doesn't train me, but my homie Jessica, inside a gym called Strength Haus in the local South Philly area. So this is a one light setup that I usually use whenever I do anything inside this gym. I'm using the Profoto B10, I believe, with the Leica SL3 24-90. I just picked up the Profoto system. I was using Westcott, I believe. I think I might have had a video talking about it before, but it is what it is. So today the goal was just to honestly just document or just take photos of what she's doing in the gym. She is a very inspirational, I guess, person to photograph when it comes to gym stuff, just for the simple fact that I think she can lift heavier than I am, and she's almost like half my weight. So I'm just showcasing how it is to shoot inside a gym. Of course, it might have been better if I actually spoke in the camera in this video, but we're not going to do that. And also, the video was ×2 speed because I just think it would be kind of boring to just look how slow it is to shoot in a space sometimes. So right now, I have the Profoto shot to the right of her while she's hitting the ball on the floor. As you can see, the flash is going off, so I'm sorry if you're sensitive to light. I should have probably put a warning. But anyway, so the reason why I use this setup is because the space is pretty big, but I don't like taking up too much space in the gym for the simple fact that there could be other people working out. We didn't rent out the space. She is a trainer in this space. So if other clients wanted to come in and do a workout, we didn't want to take up too much space. And also I like just keeping things simple. So I'm just using one flash hard light with, I believe it's a zoom reflector from Profoto, which I personally just purchased recently right before this shoot, and I wanted to test it out. I do want to get some grids for it to control the spill a little bit more, but it's so crazy how it's hard to find. Also, I try to support my local camera stores, and they just don't have it yet, but maybe I'll just buy it from B&H. I don't know yet, but anyway. So as you can see, I'm also adding some photos of like the final shot. As you can see, this video is also shot in black and white because I really do like shooting in black and white. If you watch any of my other videos or have ever seen my studio work, it's mostly black and white photos. So just kept it very simple. One light, one reflector. I didn't mess around with different things. And yeah, that is how I shot this shoot. One light, one reflector, one camera setup. With that being said, hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Catch you in the next one.